Shah, welcome back to my channel. Let's talk. So here 27th topic is create the way you relate. We can't create our truest selves without creating relationships in the process. Without creating the relationship, कोई भी प्रोसेस के अंदर हमको रिलेशनशिप क्रिएट करना ही पड़ता है. Otherwise we can't be a truest ourselves. Relationships are everywhere and relationships are everything. There is no end to relationship. There is no end to relationship, said the Indian spiritual leader Krishnamurti. There may be the end of the particular relationship, but the relationship can never end. To be is to be related. होना वो relate होना ही है. I have trained many corporations with 4-part seminar series. The first 3 parts are on the self-motivation and the final part is on the relationship building. Sometimes the CEO asks me upfront ahead of the training if I don't have that ratio out of balance. अगर मेरे पास कोई ये ratio out of balance नहीं है, ये रेशियो आउट ऑफ बैलेंस नहीं है, तो फिर मुझे समटाइम जो सीए है वो अपफ्रंट मुझे ट्रेनिंग के दौरान पूछते हैं. Shouldn't you have more of it be on the relationship building? They ask. आपके पास रिलेशनशिप बिल्डिंग में कुछ ज्यादा नहीं है? After all, team building and customer relations are surely more important than self motivation. Team building and customer relations are surely more important than the self motivation. I stand by my ratio. मैंने मेरा ratio as it is रखा. Stand by my ratio. We can't relate to others if our relationships with ourselves is poor. We can't relate to others if our relationship with ourselves is poor. अपने आप से अगर relationship poor है तो फिर we can't relate to others. A commitment to personal motivation come first. अगर अब के हमारे अंदर का जो पर्सनल मोटिवेशन है उसके साथ जो कमिटमेंट है वो फर्स्ट है. बिकॉज हु वांट्स टू हैव अ रिलेशनशिप विद समवन हु इज नॉट मोटिवेटेड इन एनी वे. अगर कोई दूसरे के साथ रिलेशनशिप रखना चाहता है तो वो क्या अपने अंदर से पहले मोटिवेट नहीं होता है इन एनी वे. When we do get to the fourth part, relationship building, the focus is on the creativity. When we जब हम फोर्थ पार्ट पे ऊपर आते हैं ऑन द रिलेशनशिप बिल्डिंग, सबसे पहले फोकस वो क्रिएटिविटी पे होता है. क्रिएटिविटी इज द मोस्ट neglected. Creativity is the most neglected and yet most useful aspect of the relationship building. वो क्रिएटिविटी जो होती है ना वो मोस्ट नेग्लेक्टेड अवॉइड करने वाली और इवन वो मोस्ट यूजफुल चीज है इन द रिलेशनशिप बिल्डिंग एस्पेक्ट ऑफ रिलेशनशिप बिल्डिंग. इन द रिलेशनशिप in the relationships most of us think with our emotions rather than our mind. In the relationship, most of us think with our emotions rather than our minds. हम इमोशंस से ही सोचते हैं रिलेशनशिप में, माइंड से नहीं सोचते. बट टू थिंक विथ आवर फीलिंग्स इंस्टेड ऑफ आवर माइंड्स पुट अस इन द अनरिसोर्सफुल स्टेट that Colin Wilson described as a being upside down. उल्टा सुल्टा हो जाते हैं हम. क्यों? क्योंकि हम फीलिंग्स के से सोचते हैं इंस्टेड ऑफ माइंड. वो हमको अनरिसोर्सफुल स्टेट में ला देता है. मीन्स कोई प्रोडक्ट आउटपुट नहीं निकलता है. When we view relationships as opportunities for creativity, they always get better. When our relationships get better, we are even more motivated. My youngest daughter, Margi, was in the 4th grade when a very shy girl in her class accidentally put a large black mark on her own nose. उसके नोज के ऊपर उसने अपने आप से ही एक्सीडेंटली एक ब्लैक मार्क कर दिया विथ एन डेब्यू indelible marker. Indelible means indelible, पक्का, indelible marker. Many of the kids in the class pointed her and started to laugh. Many of kids in the class pointed at her and started to laugh. The little girl was finally reduced to tears of embarrassment. फिर वो फाइनली रोने लगी शर्म से. Reduced to tears of embarrassment. At some point, Margie walked over. At some point, Margie, which is my youngest daughter, at some point, Margie walked over to the girl to give her some comfort. Margie, astonished teacher, related this story to me. उसकी जो मार्गीज जो टीचर है, एस्टोनिश्ड टीचर मीन्स एस्टोनिश्ड प्रभावित टीचर, उससे उससे प्रभावित टीचर relate this story to me impulsively. Margie picked up the marker and marked her own nose and then handed the marker to another classmate and said, I like my nose like this. I like my nose like this way. What about you? I like my nose this way. What about you? In a few moments, the entire class had black mark on their nose. कुछ ही क्षणों में होल क्लास ने ब्लैक मार्क अपने नोज पे लगा दिया. And the shy girl who was once crying was laughing. At the recess, Margie's class all went out on the playground with marked nose, and they were the envy of the school. चिन्ह बन गया. Obviously into something unusual and the cool. Obviously into something unusual and cool. This story is interesting to me because how Margie used her creativity and her mind instead of her emotions to solve the problem. How Margie used her creativity and her mind instead of her emotions to solve the problem. She elevated herself up into her mind. She elevated herself up into her mind where something clever could be done. जहाँ something clever could be done. If she had used her feelings to think with, she might have expressed anger at the class for laughing at girl or sadness or depression. अगर उसने feelings यूज किया होता तो फिर वो शायद गुस्सा होती, जो भी क्लास के अंदर हंस रहे होते, या सैड होती या डिप्रेस होती. एनी टाइम you take a relationship problem up into the mind, you have unlimited opportunity to get creative. Anytime you take a relationship problem up into the mind, you have unlimited opportunities to get creative. Conversely, when you send a relationship problem down to the elevator into the lower half of your heart, convert conversely 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 means viruddha. Conversely, when you send a relationship problem down the elevator into the lower half of the heart, you risk staying stuck in the problem forever. आप यहाँ पे ही stuck हो जाते हो. You risk staying stuck in the problem forever. This doesn't mean that you should not feel anything. It not mean that you should not feel anything. Feel is everything. Notice your feeling. Just don't think with them. When there is a relationship problem to be resolved, travel up your ladder to the most creative view. when there's a relationship problem to be resolved, travel up your ladder to the most creative you. You will soon realize that we create the relationships with when you will realize that we create the relationships we have in our lives. They don't just happen. We create the relationships we have in our lives. They don't just happen. We are each of us angels with only one wing. We all we are each of us angels with only one wings, said Italian artist Luciano di Crescenzo. And we can fly embracing each other. एक दूसरे के साथ रिलेशनशिप करने से ही हम साथ में आगे बढ़ सकते हैं. We can only fly. We can only fly. Embracing each other. Thank you.